everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are checking out AGARO Lint Remover full review and demo. So MRP is $699 but we got it from Amazon for $399, 43% discount, and it comes with 1 year of warranty, and you can use it on your woolen, synthetic, cotton, carpet, curtain, everything to remove the lint and make your clothes look brand new again. So inside the pack you get a user manual, warranty card on the back. And here we have the main lint remover unit, a cleaning brush, and the cord is 4/4, that is decent enough. Power is 5 watt and voltage is 230 V. It has an auto shut feature, and here is the on off button. Super easy, just plug in and go. If you remove this cover, you can use it on cotton and synthetic fabric. And if you keep the cover on, use it on delicate and woolen clothes. It has 6 stainless steel blade and 3 honeycomb mesh size and remove all kind of lint. It actually creates suction, work like a vacuum and collect the lint inside. Here is the transparent lint container, quite big. When it's full, just empty it and put it back. So it really gives your garment a brand new finish, a brand new look. Good product. It removes 99% of the lint easily. Value for money, 4.9 out of 5. Definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.